Hello friends, welcome back to our own channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Guys, now I am back with another interesting swing trading stock. DCW Limited, the formerly known as Dhangadra Chemical Works Limited. DCW stock has given excellent returns of 125% in just 1 year. The stock has been trading at just 17.3 rupees in December 2020. From then, the stock has rallied to the level of 65.90 in October 2021, giving bumper returns of 280%. Guys, after making the high of 66, the stock is continuously falling. It has fallen by almost 35%. Guys, how much more it can fall? Most of you might be worrying what to do with this stock, whether to buy, hold, or sell the stock. So guys, let us analyze the stock technically and fundamentally. And guys, I will give you buy levels and targets for taking a swing trade. Also, let us discuss about its future growth prospects. So guys, please watch this video without skipping. Otherwise, you will miss the important points. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. And hit the like button. Your every like gives me motivation to make more and more swing trading stocks. Now let's look at its business model. DCW is an industry pioneer with strong presence in chloro-alkali, synthetic rutile and PVC business segments. The company has got excellent global presence. It has spread all over Asian, European and American countries. It has got 2 manufacturing plants, one at Dhangadra, Gujarat, where it manufactures products like soda ash, sodium bicarbonate and ammonium bicarbonate. Second manufacturing plant is located at Sahapuram unit, Tamil Nadu, where it manufactures products like caustic soda, liquid chlorine, hydrochloric acid, beneficiated limelight, trichloroethylene, yellow iron oxide, ferric chloride, UTOX and PVC. Guys, company has got vast product portfolio, but I have listed the major ones. Guys, now let us see the stock recent performance. In the past 1 month, the stock has given negative returns of minus 2.39%. That means stock is available at the same price which is 1 month ago. And guys, in the past 1 week, the stock has given returns of 2.14%. Now let's see its financials. The stock's revenue has been increased from 1.19 to 1.48, which is excellent, whereas the company is in losses consecutively from 2018 to 2020, but in the year 2021, it has come into profits. Guys, if you see the quarterly performance, the total revenue has been increased from 387 to 573 from December quarters to September quarter, and its net income has been consistently increased from 6.20 to 19.68, which is excellent. Guys, company has turned from losses to profits and it is making good profits in consecutive quarters. So guys, we can expect similar kind of growth in coming quarters. So guys, fundamentally the stock seems good. Now let us analyze the stock technically by using charts. Friends, I am using Zerodha for the chart analysis. If you want to open a Demat account through Zerodha, the link is in the description box. Now I have opened DCW's 1-day technical chart. The stock is presently trading at the level of 42.60. If you see its RSI, the relative strength index, it is presently at 49.70 and it is looking strong. If you see its MACD indicator, it is already bullish. If you see the moving average indicators, it is presently below the 50-day moving average and it is nearing the 200-day moving average. And guys, the stock volumes are very low. Today's session, the stock volumes have been suddenly improved. But guys, during the month of October, the stock has seen huge selling. It has seen good profit booking and the stock has crashed to the levels of 40. Guys, markets are bearish. The stock has got first support at the level of 37 near to the 200-day moving average. Guys, if the bearishness continues, the stock can fall to the level of 37 and can travel like this. If any positive trigger comes, it can rally. Or else, if the stock becomes more bearish, it has got its second support at the level of 34, which is very strong support. Guys, if the stock falls below the 200-day moving average indicator, it will race towards the level of 34, where it will take strong support. It will travel sideways like this for a while, and then if any positive news comes, it will trigger a fresh rally. It can jump to the levels of 40, 45, 50, and it can even go beyond 60 levels. Now let's see some levels and targets for taking a swing trade. The buy levels are level 1 39, level 2 37, and level 3 34. The targets are target 1 45, target 2 50, target 3 60. Guys, you can keep the stop loss at 31, and the time period you have to hold is 1 to 6 months for achieving these targets. Friends, please invest your amount partially at each and every buy level and also at each and every supports, and wait for at least 1 to 6 months for achieving these targets. Guys, DCW Limited is a small cap stock with a market capitalization of 1116 crores. So guys, it will be very volatile. So guys, please do your own research before investing in this stock. Guys, can it really reach our target 60? Let us find out by looking at its future growth prospects. The growing demand recovery, the company's management keen view of scaling up its PVC and specialty chemical product portfolio, DCW's revenue shift from commodity chemicals to specialty chemicals. Specialty chemicals are of high profit margin and it will improve its profit margins. And DCW will get good benefit from anti-pollution policies in China, as China is the biggest competitor for DCW Limited. And guys, there is a tailwinds in the industry. The growth in the end user industries will indirectly help DCW to improve its revenues. So guys, all these factors, the demand recovery, the revenue shift towards the high profitable margin specialty chemicals, and the anti-pollution policies of China will help DCW Limited to post good profit numbers in coming quarters. So our share price will jump to the levels of 60, and it has good potential to give you at least 30 to 40% returns in coming 1 to 6 months. This is all about DCW Limited, friends. I will come up with another interesting stock in coming days. If you have any doubts, please write in the commentary box. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Also, please follow my Telegram channel where I will post important updates on daily basis, and please like our pages on Instagram and Facebook. A small disclaimer, friends, the levels, targets and recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking investment decision. Thank you, friends.